Hi everyone, it's Jason at eVTOL Insights with your latest news update on Wednesday, April the 28th. Wingcopter has revealed its latest eVTOL fixed-wing drone, which features the world's first triple-drop mechanism that allows up to 3 deliveries to multiple destinations per flight. Based on its patent tilt-rotor technology, the Wingcopter 198 can carry payloads of 6 kilograms on one battery charge over 75 kilometers. With less payload, the distance is increased to up to 110 kilometers. The aircraft's top speed is 150 kilometers per hour. As well as the triple drop mechanism, which allows for separate winch delivery, the Wingcopter 198 can also deliver 2 medium-sized packages or 1 large package. Additionally, a single operator can control a fleet of up to 10 Wingcopter 198s simultaneously via new control station software. Wingcopter has said the first 100 orders are being made available to reserve, and the drone is currently undergoing FAA type certification in the USA. Thanks so much for watching. To read the full story, head to evtolinsights.com.